Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Ubuntu or how to fix install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager is missing in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and by that you would be able to open the small window called the Run, where here you need to type for disk mgmt.msc and click on OK to continue. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to give permission on running this disk management window. Where here you need to proceed with your C drive or local disk. Please do a right click and look for an option called shrink volume. Click on it once you have find it and it will querying volume for available shrink space. You just have to wait until it will be done. Once the window is here, which is shrink C drive, you need to proceed with enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. Okay, so I would recommend you to take more than 20 gigabyte of the space from your C drive. But in my case, since I'm only giving you the steps, I'm only teaching you the steps, so I'm gonna type it here 6,000 or 6 gigabyte. Again, I would recommend you to go with more than 20 gigabyte of your disk space. Once done, okay, proceed by clicking on shrink. Okay, the moment you have to click on it, you need to close this window and restart your computer. Now, there is a need to restart your computer, and the moment you have restarted it, continue on installing your Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. Okay, I'm sure it will be working this time. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.